Ready for some spooky sweet fun? Well, today we're drawing an adorable Halloween Bat Cupcake in Kawaii style with bold Posca markers and step-by-step tips. You'll learn how to make your cupcake look extra cute, drippy, and ready for trick-or-treat season. So let's grab your markers and let's get drawn together. So you see we're going to draw these 2 dots and then a foreshortened circle. This is going to start the cylinder for the base of our cupcake. These 2 lines taper down. That means they're going to get a little bit closer together at the bottom. And now the key detail here is we're trying to match that curve at the top. We want to match that curve down the best we can. Now I'm going to go ahead and erase off this construction line. So we're building with shapes and forms today. We may have some construction lines we erase. Alright, so we're going to start off with a basic shape for the top of this cupcake. And now we're going to go ahead and change the outline of it. So that basically just established the size and placement of the top of the cupcake. And now at the top here, you see I'm curving a line out to the left. I'm going to do that again, curving the line out to the left. And you can see how I'm following that guideline down. And once again, just curving it out to the left. Curving line out to the left again. We're going to draw these lines that curve down. So this is the actual cupcake itself. We have the frosting on top of that. Once again, I'm going to go in and start erasing off some construction lines. Fumble. All right, so at the top here, you can see I'm going to curve a line out to the left, and I'm going to bring it out to the right, kind of like an S. And once again, you're just going to curve a line out to the right here. All right. So now we're going to start turning this into the character today. So we're drawing this awesome Halloween Bat Cupcake. So we're going to do this Kawaii style. So we're going to leave a little white dot, a little white highlight inside of the eye. And this is a little vampire bat. So we're going to give it a little smiley face, and then we're going to use these 2 triangles here to finish off the teeth. Add in those rosy cheeks. Yeah, this definitely isn't your average snack. It's part cupcake, part bat, and it's all kawaii. All right, guys, it's time for the bat wings. I'm going to go ahead and curve a line out to the right. Careful with those wings, guys. This cupcake might just fly off your paper. So we're going to curve a line up. You You can see once again, curving line out to the left. Now this one is getting curved once again out to the left. So I want you to pay attention to the direction I'm curving these lines. So this one's curving out to the right now. And once again, back out to the right. This last one, little one curved up. Well, now's a good time, like I said, to stand back from your work, make adjustments as needed, and now we're going to go ahead and outline. I'm just using a Sharpie marker. The good thing about Sharpie markers is they don't bleed. If sometimes with some markers, the Posca paint marker can pick up that bottom color. So I'm going to have 3 values of purple today. So I got this purple, the dark purple, adding in some shadows with the dark purple, and adding in some highlights with the light purple. So 3 values there. Navy blue on the wings, and some gray and red. Just re-outlining, and we're there. Well, hey guys, I want to thank you for joining me today. If you want to check out some more of these awesome Halloween drawing videos, check out the playlist. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.